Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Express to your Creative Cloud account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Adobe Express to your Creative Cloud account, start by opening the Adobe Express application on your device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the Adobe website or your device's app store. Once the application is open, look for the Sign In button on the home screen. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your Adobe ID and password. Input your credentials carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After entering your information, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you may see a welcome message confirming your account connection. Now, navigate to the Settings menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. Select this option to view your connected accounts. You should see a section for Creative Cloud, indicating that your account is linked. If it is not linked, look for the option to link to Creative Cloud. Click on this option and follow the on-screen instructions. After successfully linking, you can access your Creative Cloud assets directly from Adobe Express. To verify the connection, return to your projects or assets in Adobe Express. You should now be able to import and use files from your Creative Cloud library. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Adobe Express to your Creative Cloud account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.